I didn't realize how stressful laundry was until I fixed it. After work, the last thing I want is to deal with the laundry, but skipping is not an option. This saved me. I just throw in my essential and relax. It's small, super convenient and washes in minutes. Perfect for daily wear. No more waiting for full loads. It's only for 1899. This literally buys back your time. If you are working and tired of laundry stressed, comment down for link and I will DM you the product link. Thank you.